So, I'm still at Derby, and I'm stuck here for like another half an hour. Yeah, the other guy's got on the train. He's on my bike, saddled up. It's still not even full yet. I've got to stop off at my uni accommodation in Birmingham to add a ground mat that's going to fit on the back somewhere. But yeah, here for another half an hour on my own, and then I'm catching like a 3/4 of an hour journey train on my own. I better not fall asleep. Okay, so here is our 3 bikes, very neatly packed within the yellow lines of the cycling storage. Yeah, they're meant to be vertical, but